Welcome to Little Mombo.
I didn't know you can dance, Will.
Little Mombo is a premier camp, or their top class, and as you can see, it's very luxurious and the tents are very spacious. And the fire pit area just off the dining room. The camp overlooks a grassy plain, and animals often venture right by the camp. But we elect to go out on the evening game drive, and the first thing we see is a magnificent kudu male. And then a different kind of leopard, a leopard turtle.
Look at the reflection there.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Look how gentle their feet are, too. Those steps are so cool.
The guides know where there's a pride of lions, and they ask us if we'd like to see them. That's a joke.
What happens is like when the female is ready to give birth, she will leave the pride and she will go hide somewhere. Then she will introduce the cub to the rest of the pride after a month. Also,
Oh dear. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. They are very young.
yeah,
How old?
just over 2 months old.
Oh,
There's other 5 missing, about 2.5 to 3 months. So they're a little bigger than me. So they're out to should be the other females.
oh my God.
Cubs lay and the sisters are having a sister tag. Look at the little one.
Oh dear.
Oh, where's Mom? I better go and find her. It's Mom and Auntie. Auntie is not too happy to see me. She growls a bit at me, so I'd better just stay away from her.
So when they go out to hunt, they leave the cubs here with
By themselves, yeah. No
by
babysitter.
themselves.
Wow. No babysitter.
Well, that's our chance, Denise.
Yeah.
Pick one up and cuddle it.
One's going walking with the aunt.
Mm-hmm.
Now they're both going over to the aunt.
Oh, it's animals. That's a little pose.
They leave the baby in the bush. Always in journey with their sister. They are 6 Stay in the bush, yes. They don't do it? No, until the mother.
You move this way. Get away. That's enough.
Gently.
That was the same one that his brothers, I think, was like, I want the one that you wore.
Yes, of course.
I was like, come on, there's a bunch of other ones.
He's like, Mom, why me?
Early the next morning, we set out and we wonder what this day will bring. And soon we come upon a magnificent herd of buffalo. In the midst of this herd is a tiny, tiny baby.
Are you sure that's not a stump? Is that where the bird just got?
Ox
Just
pecker,
landed.
Yeah, the bird
exactly,
just
yeah.
landed there. Yeah.
Gosh. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
oh,
Get out
yeah.
of the way.
Oh,
He's like, no, you stop. What does she think she's going to do with that big elephant?
This wild beast looks very ugly. This is the first one on the right, that's the male, so it's in his territory. When the female goes, he'll stay behind.
There's like 3 hippos in there.
The little one are a bit tired.
yeah.
Come back to sleep.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
We should be moving picture. Okay, now.
We round the corner, and to our surprise, lunch has all been laid out in the countryside. Talk about al fresco.
Are these prescriptions?
These are prescriptions. And they're actually trifocals, yeah.
Check 300 couples. Might.
Very
They
much.
can do the right way.
Exactly.
Okay. Great. Put it in a pot.
Yeah.
Tap on the side, sugar on the side, milk to the side.
All that stuff.
Give it in a tray. Should be like. Now you can get.
After a siesta, we go out on evening game drive and we decide to go back and see the cubs. This is 2 other mothers from the same pride, and they have 5 cubs between them.
Right, so you don't know which they come from. But you said they could have like 4.
Oh yeah, absolutely, yeah.
Yeah, these do look around the same age as the ones we saw.
Yeah, they're pretty much same age. It's about 2.5, then the other 3 months. So,
Try again.
Wow.
which means all the cubs, the 5 might be here. Maybe the 5th one is where the other one, and then there's just 2. Then there's those 2 which are with the others. Wow, all these 4 are males, that's bad. All these 4 are the young males, so that's not good.
Why is it not good?
Because if you're a female, then they'll breed and increase the population. Now, if it's all male, they're going to be fighting for territory and chaos.
I see what you mean.
Play with his own tail.
That's his own tail.
Oh, that's why she was leaving. She got a cut there on the tip. Might be from them fighting on it. She also lost the tip of the tail. Like that.
The cubs will feed on any female who has milk, not necessarily sticking just to their mother. Presumably, the proud father.
That's quite a tongue.
Trying to figure out somewhere.
I think I'll go and see Dad.